In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct one-way ANOVA in JMP to analyze the experiments. To do the analysis, go to Analyze tab in JMP, then choose Fit Y by X. In this, choose your factor and your response variable and click on OK. Now, a good thing is to test for equal variance. That can be done by clicking here on this inverted right triangle and choosing unequal variances. You can have a look at the p-values and f-ratios of the different tests. For example, 11 tests here says that the p-value is 0.6612, and if the p-value is less than the significance level, we say the variances are unequal. However, in this case, the p-value is greater than alpha, and alpha I'm assuming to be 0.05, hence variances are equal. Now we can conduct the one-way ANOVA. To do so, go to this top inverted right triangle again and choose ANOVA, means / ANOVA. One report will be appended to your existing report, and it will be showing whether your ANOVA is significant or not, ANOVA model. If the p-value is again less than alpha, then we do say that there is at least one group whose mean is significantly different, statistically significantly different from the other groups. Now, in order to identify that group, again go to this inverted right triangle and choose compare means. There are multiple tests which are available here. I'm going to choose all pairs 2K HST. Once you click on it, a report will be appended at the bottom related to this multiple comparison. One interesting output here is the connecting letters report. JMP says level not connected by the same letters are significantly different. So in this case, none of the level is connected by the same letter. So we can say the mean or the average H rate at 160, average H rate at 180, 220, 220 are significantly different from each other, and their average values are given here. So that is how you conduct one-way ANOVA